Welcome to the installation video of Fishbone Off-Road's light bar bracket for Jeep's 2018 to current JL Wrangler. Step 1. Using your vehicle's included T40 Torx wrench, remove the 4 Torx bolts on the windshield support. Step 2. Using a 5mm Allen wrench, gently secure the top of the light bar bracket into place with 2 of the included longer button head bolts and flathead washers. Continue to secure the bottom of the mount using the 2 of the shorter button head bolts and flat washers. Repeat this step on the opposite windshield support. Step 3. Slide your light bar of choice into place and secure it and its wiring according to its manufacturer's instructions. You may need the help of a friend. Once all your hardware is secured, and it's time to head out and enjoy your new Fishbone Off-Road JL light bar bracket.